Okay, how are you, viewers? Today I'm going to present the fourth round exam questions and answer, which is Team 4. Team 4 includes business research methods, statistics for management 1, and stat for management 2. As usual, the direction is choose the best answer. Question 1. Which one is the primary goal of business research? A. To implement managerial strategies. B. To gather, analyze, and interpret data for decision making. C. To maximize profit. D. To develop marketing strategy. The primary goal of business research is to gather, analyze, and interpret data for decision making. Choice B. Choice B. Question number 2. Which step involves defining the problem and objective in research process? A. Data collection. B. Hypothesis testing. C. Problem identification. D. Report writing. Choice C. Problem identification. Problem identification involves defining the problem and objective in research process. Question number 3. A manager is tasked with identifying potential markets for a product. What type of research should they conduct? A. Experimental research. B. Descriptive research. C. Causal research. D. Applied research. The answer for question number 3 is B. Descriptive research. Question number 4. Question number 4. Which research design involves studying the impact of one variable on another under controlled conditions? A. Exploratory research. B. Experimental research. C. Descriptive research. D. Qualitative research. The answer for this question is B. Experimental research. B. Experimental research. Question number 5. A company is debating between using focus group. A company is debating between using focus group or surveys for data collection. Which is more suitable for obtaining detailed opinion? A. Survey. B. Focus group. C. Observational studies. D. Experimental research. A company is debating between using focus group or survey. It's focus group. Question number, multiple choice B. Question number 6. Design a research study to test whether customer satisfaction lead to increased loyalty. Which type of hypothesis should you formulate? D. Descriptive hypothesis. B. Null hypothesis. C. Alternative hypothesis. D. Causal hypothesis. D is the answer, causal hypothesis. Question number 7. What is the primary focus of descriptive statistics? A. Predicting future trends. B. Summarizing and describing data characteristics. C. Testing relationship between variables. D. Estimate population parameters. The answer for question number 7 is B. Summarizing and describing data characteristics. Question number 8. A histogram is most effective for displaying A. Frequency distribution, B. Time series data, C. Correlation analysis, D. Hypothesis testing result. The answer for this question is choice A. Frequency distribution. Frequency distribution. Question number 9. A company calculates the average revenue from its top 10 sites. Which measure is using? A. Mode, B. Median, C. Mean, D. Range. The answer for this question is C. Mean. Question number 10. In a set of data, if the mean is less than the median, what does it indicate about the distribution? If the mean is less than the median, A. Symmetrical distribution, B. Positively skewed distribution, C. Negatively skewed distribution, D. Uniform distribution. The answer for this question is negatively skewed distribution. Question number 11. Two data sets have identical means but different standard deviation. What does this imply? A. Both data sets are identical. B. Verifiable difference between the data bits. C. No relationship exists between the data sets. D. Data sets are normally distributed. If two data sets have identical mean but different standard deviation, so this implies there is variability difference between the data set, that is, the answer is multiple choice, choice B. Choice B. Question number 12. Propose a method for comparing the data variability between two data sets. A. Calculate the standard deviation for both data sets. B. Measure the central tendency. C. Conduct a t-test. D. Apply correlation analysis. The answer for this question is choice A. Calculate standard deviation for both data sets. Question number 13. What is the purpose of inferential statistics? A. Summarizing sample data. B. Drawing calculation about a population based on sample data. C. Identify data outliers. D. Organizing raw data. The answer for this question is choice B. Drawing calculations about a population based on sample data. Question number 14. The process of selecting a subset of a population to represent the whole is called A. Sampling, B. Clustering, C. Distribution, D. Randomization. Choice A is sampling is the answer. Question number 15. A company tests whether the average weekly sales have increased after a new advertising campaign. Which statistical test is appropriate? A. Chi-square test, B. t-test, C. ANOVA, D. regression analysis. The answer for question number 15 is B. T-test. Question number 16. Which of the following scenario would require hypothesis testing? A. Creating sales forecasting. A. Creating sales forecast. B. Determining the average sales per week. C. Evaluating whether customer satisfaction score differ before and after training program. D. Calculating mean customer purchases. The answer for question number 16 is evaluating whether customer satisfaction score differ before and after training program. Question number 17. When testing the relationship between two variables, which metric provides strength and direction of relationship? A. Mean. B. Standard deviation. C. Correlation coefficient. D. Variance. The answer for question number 17 is C. Correlation coefficient. Question number 18. Propose a method for estimating the probability of future events using historical data. A. Constructing a probability distribution. B. Calculating measure of central tendency. C. Conducting data visualization. D. Applying inferential test. The answer for question number 18 is A. Constructing a probability distribution. Question number 19. What does the chi-square test measure? A. Difference between means. B. Relations between categorical variables. C. Standard deviation in data sets. D. Correlations in time series data. The answer for question number 19 is B. Relationships between categorical variables. Question number 20. What is the significance level alpha in hypothesis testing? A. The probability of a type 2 error. B. The threshold for rejecting the null hypothesis. C. The actual value of test statistics. D. The population variance estimate. The answer for this question is choice B. The threshold for rejecting the null hypothesis. Question number 21. A researcher collects a random sample from a population to estimate average income. What method ensures the valid estimate? A. Stratified sampling. C. Convenient sampling. C. Systematic error evaluation. D. Random substitution. The answer for this question is stratified sampling. Choice A. Question number 22. Which of the following methods analyzes variance within and between groups to test difference in means? A. Correlation. B. Regression. C. ANOVA. D. T-test. The answer for this question is choice C. ANOVA. ANOVA. Question number 23. A data analyst finds two predictive models for customer churn. One has higher accuracy while the other requires less computational effort. What should consider most? A. Computational complexity. B. Accuracy and stability for the problem. C. Popularity of the method. D. Ease of reporting. The answer for this question is B. Accuracy and stability for the problem. Accuracy for and stability for the problem. Question number 24. Develop a data visualization plan for a management presentation. Compare the annual revenue across regions. What goal is most effective? A. Pie chart. B. Bar graph. C. Line chart. D. Scatter plot. The answer for this question is B. Bar graph. Bar graph. Question number 25. What is the primary criterion for evaluating whether a sample mean is representative of a population mean? A. Survey variance. B. Standard error. C. Mean absolute deviation. D. Coefficient of variation. The answer for question number 25 is standard error. Standard error. Thank you for attending this presentation.